In this video, I'm going to show you some gel polish from a company called Kastiny. Hello everyone, welcome back to Just Doing Nails, and today I'm going to review a 24+3 gel polish set from a company called Kastiny. If you're new here, please remember to hit that sub button for me and hit that like button if you enjoy my content today. Also hit that notification bell for me, you guys, if you enjoy quality nail product reviews, nail art, nail hacks, and anything to do with nails. Here are the instructions. I always like to remind people to read your instructions, even if it's a product you've already tried. Sometimes they have new warnings and new allergy alerts. So here's the top of the bottles. This also comes with a matte top coat, base coat, and a glossy top coat. All right, let's get started. So the first color I'm going to show you is white, and I did have to apply 2 coats. But that is the standard rule for gel polish. You want to apply 1 coat, usually cure it for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then apply a second coat and cure that for 30 to 60 seconds. You guys, if you're new to gel polish, you will need a gel nail lamp, and I did make a video for one that's really affordable for new beginner nail artists. Go ahead and check that video out right there in the right hand corner. So here's that second color. And this color right here, you guys, oh, beautiful. Pink, I mean, come on. It's like a bubblegum color. Pepto-Bismol, I don't know. I loved it though, oh my goodness. All right, this next one is a blue, and it's like a clay blue. Let me know if you guys have tried any products from this company before and if it worked out for you or not. So far, personally, during this review, I didn't have any issues with this gel polish. It went on smoothly and it cured just fine. All right, this one is a really nice lavender type of color. Oh my goodness, beautiful. I think I'm falling in love with purple slowly. I've always been a pink girl and a blue girl, but you know, the more and more I get into doing my nails and exploring all these different colors through nails, it's just like opening up a whole new world of colors for me. Let me know if you guys have found that out about yourself, that you tend to like new colors that you never thought you would like before when you started your nail journey. I know personally, as a child, I never liked pink. I hated it. Now it is definitely one of my favorite colors. All right, look at this one, you guys. It's like a fuchsia pink, very bright, very lovely, like a magenta color. So do you have a favorite gel polish company that you really love? And me personally, I really love Beetles, but Kastiny, this company is kind of giving some competition, okay? This polish is lovely. In this set, they have so many different colors and different varieties of colors. Like, look at this one, it's really bright. So if you like the darker colors or you're into the really bright ones, like this one is definitely giving me 80s vibes. If you're into the brighter ones, this kit right here has everything in it. So that is the one thing I really loved about this one. So much variety. You can be so creative with it. Look at this green one. Perfect for St. Patrick's Day, right? Beautiful. That's number 11. Here's a nice blue one. This one, I think you can make a really nice astrology design with. It's a very rich color. So hey, if you've made it this far, go ahead and hit that sub button for me. I mean, it only gets better from here, okay? Check out all my other videos, check out my shorts. I have some nail art videos, nail hack videos, and a lot of other reviews so you guys can know what type of products are actually out there for you guys. And remember to hit that like button for me if you're enjoying this content. There's also something called a notification bell. When you hit that, you will be updated whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so here's another pink. I mean, there's really not much to say, so just enjoy the scenery for a little bit. And that is number 14. This is a nude color, which I also love. Nude. I love nudes, I love pink, and I love blues. So I can never go wrong with a nude. Personally, you can dress it up, you can just wear it casual, whatever you feel like. I think a nude color fits in almost any occasion. All right, here's a really like dark lavender kind of clay purple look. And it's kind of tinging on a nude color too as well. I really like this one. It's a very rich color. All right, glitter time. Yeah, I love it. So this is a champagne type of copper color. And a little hint, you guys, when you're applying glitter polish, go ahead and use this dabbing motion that I'm doing right here. Doing this is going to help get all of that glitter off of that brush and onto your nail. So definitely use that method if you're if you're having problems with getting the glitter off, use that method, it will work. All right, here's a really bright orange. And this is like a fall color. And it can also be a summer color too as well. So it can go either way, but I definitely just thought of fall when I saw this color. Okay, so that's number 18. Here's another glitter. This is very like party glitter, disco ball, okay? You know, you really doing it. You got some sequins on. This is a really nice one. And there's that color. And here's a rich, deep midnight black, you guys. I personally feel like every set should have a white color and a black color in there. I mean, because with the white, you can mix all the other colors up and make new colors. And you can also do the same with the black. You can put a little bit in there to make colors darker. So that's just my personal opinion. What do you guys think? And here's a really rich red, like a blood red. Love it. I really hope you guys are enjoying this review. Let me know if it's been helpful for you so far. And if it has, please remember to hit that like button for me. And remember to subscribe to Just Doing Nails. That's a good way to help this channel grow. So here's a really deep, deep green. It's like a forest green. If you love greens, I think you would really love this one. And this one here is also a green with some glitter in it, and it just reminded me of Wizard of Oz, like the Emerald City. That could have been a good name for it, Emerald City. I think I'm really good at naming gel polishes. What do you guys think? Personally, I think I am, but you know, others might not agree. All right, so that's number 23. So this is the last color in this set. And it's like a salmon color, and it has some glitter in there. Just very nice. Very, very nice. Perfect, again, for fall or summer. That's number 24. And so that concludes all the colors in this set. So now I'm going to show you the top coat and the matte coat, starting with the matte top coat first. As you guys can see, it instantly turns from that normal color to the matte once I start up that lamp. So nice. And there's the before and after. Now we're gonna put on some top coat too, and I can show you guys how that looks. So I just applied one coat of that top coat and I cured it for 60 seconds. Here's that reveal. It was very shiny. It did not disappoint. So that is my review, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. That company again is called Kastiny. I'll leave the information down in the description below for you if you're interested in this set. Thank you for joining me. Remember to hit that like button for me and subscribe to Just Doing Nails if you're new here. I'll see you guys next time.